So before we go any further, guys, make sure you're hitting that bell icon for every time I upload. I'm trying to upload every Mondays and Thursdays, 6 p.m. as a minimum. Anything else will be put in between, like this one will maybe go up on the Tuesday or the Wednesday, possibly. I'm just trying to fill in some gaps, but Mondays and Thursdays is an absolute definite at 6 p.m. So just make sure you're going on the profile of my channel and hitting that bell icon to be notified as soon as I upload. Also guys, just make sure you're liking this video as well, because all the likes help me out so much. Obviously it shows me that you guys are actually interested in the content, so thank you. Also, everybody that's bought merch, thank you so much. Obviously you guys are smashing that, like seriously a lot. Beanie hats are being sold, stickers are being sold, t-shirts are being sold. Honestly, I thank you guys so much for that. If you do order clothing, it is roughly about a week until they post it out, because it does get obviously made. It's hand stitched, so it's hand stitched on the t-shirts, the snapbacks, the beanies, and everything else, and the quality is just bang on. So yeah, like I said, thank you for that. Right guys, so welcome to another video. In this video, you might find it strange, I'm actually sat in bed. Usually I'm in my car, so I thought I'd do a bit of a difference here. What I'm going to go through in this video is basically, I get asked quite a lot on how much it costs to wrap the car. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to give you guys a breakdown of how much the material costs, and also where I got it from. So we're going to have a little thing on the screen down here somewhere that's going to pop up and let you guys know how much each bit cost, how many meters I ordered as well. So first off, those of you, if you've just randomly clicked on the channel or this video or anything like that and you're not subscribed, this up here is my Corsa VXR wrapped by myself. And a lot of people think I pay a lot of money to get wrapped or wrap it, when actually I don't actually pay that much, as you'll see in this video. So first off, we'll go for the main colour, which was a Satin Chrome green. It was from an eBay seller, which I use quite a bit. What I'll do is I'll link his shop in the description. He does a lot of satin chrome colours, he also does the chrome colours, and all that sort of stuff. And basically I used 15, well, I purchased 15 metre. 15 metre should do a standard car. However, excuse me, on this car you'll notice that there's a lot of black on there, so I only ended up using 11 meters, but I've got excess in case I obviously have any damage or anything, or I need to repair anything, so I've got an extra 4 meters. So this, for the 15 meters, cost me £225. I think it was £224.95 to be precise. So £225 basically to do the whole car. Now £225 is not that much of a lot of money. When you think about changing the whole car, the main thing that you use is your time. So as long as you've got the time and patience, I think anybody can wrap a car, learning from your mistakes. £225 for the green. We'll move on to the other bits. So for the roof, I've got a Morpheous gloss black, which is like a glitter on the roof. That was £19 a metre from MDP Supplies. This is where I usually get most of my gloss black from, and any other standard colours like pearlescence and stuff like that. The satins and the chromes is where I usually go through the eBay seller, because he does them quite a bit. But so for the roof I used 2 meters of the Morpheous black, so it cost me about £40, including postage, to do the roof. So we're looking at now £265 roughly so far. The gloss black is also from MDP Supplies. It's a gloss black 3M air release, so it allows you to push air bubbles out, and it's got like a like vapor release through the vinyl. If you are learning to wrap, I would suggest using the air release, because it's a lot easier for you to learn with, as it's more forgiving. This was I think it's £8.60 a metre, and for the side skirts I used 2 meters. I could just cut the whole thing in half. Bear in mind all these sizes, they are 1.54 meters width as well, standard. So with the side skirts, I could cut it in half and have plenty left over as well with 2 meters. So the side skirts themselves cost me £20, so £10 a side skirt, which is nothing. The front bumper at the bottom, again another 2 meters, which was cut in half. The other 2 meters that I had left was used to do offcuts, like the gill slits, the rear bits on the back, what I've got down the sides, just the other little tiny bits. So all in all, I think I used, let me just think, I used 4 meters, so that's another £40. So we're talking £305 now for the wrap. The bonnet wrap, which is here, that was given to me by streetrace.org. They do all of the bonnet wraps, they do movie wraps, side wrap, decals, roof decals. They're also the same guys that sent me the side decals for the 350Z Fast and Furious build. So shout out to them, massive shout out to them. So if you do want any bonnet wraps or like that, make sure you visit them. Link is in the description there as well. I didn't use any squeegees because the wrap is delicate. I don't like using squeegees on delicate wrap because it can scratch it. I'd rather not go all that way and find out at the end that the wrap's got marks on it and have to rip it all off and waste all that money. So I don't use squeegees. You can get some good squeegees, however I just don't really bother using them. And also cutting tape. Cutting tape, I got 50 meters for £10, also from MDP Supplies. You don't have to use that. It just depends what you're doing. It is recommended because it's a knifeless, so you don't have to use a knife. I got a craft knife, which was, I think it was £2 from, I think again from MDP Supplies. Or you can get them from Home Bargains or Pan World or anything like that. Anywhere that's got like a craft section, they sell them as well. So what we're talking about now is no more than £350 for the whole car. So the whole car to change the wrap, £350. Now to me, that's not a lot. That's not a lot of money to change your whole car, change the look of your car, make it different and make it your own. I also have a wrapping series, if you also click this video, that's coming out slowly. It also helps you with wrapping. Like I said, I've never had any training, so it's not perfect, but it's the way I learned and it's the process that I've found that works the best for me. So yeah, that is basically it. I can't think of anything else that I need to really talk about. The 350Z is getting wrapped. It's going in an elephant matte grey, obviously to match the 350Z from Tokyo Drift. I do have the graphics for the side of the car already for the Tokyo Drift build. Yeah, it's just one of them things that's a slow process. I've got all sorts that need going on the car: coilovers, decap pipes, radiators, radiator hoses, oil cooler. As I said, there's so much stuff that need to go on that car. But basically that's it for this video. I just wanted to let you guys know how much it costs. It's not that much money. Everybody can give it a try. If you want to buy a meter and a half, go ahead and buy a meter and a half and just do some practice with it. Practice on your own car. If you've got an older car, practice on that. The more complex the panels, very easy, very simple, but you can change your car the whole look. And mine was literally everything. It was the bonnet, the side skirts, the roof, all the panels. I even did a bit on the interior. All that to £350 maximum. You don't have to get the wrapping tape. It's not necessarily needed. So again, it could be around £300 that you change your whole car for. So thank you for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, all that sort of stuff, and I will see you guys in the next one, and I appreciate you watching. Peace.